expensive and definitely classic. Definitely, I think it's just a really well-known brand, and they've really made a good representation of themselves. But I'm not probably going to shop there on my day-to-day because I don't think I have the money for it, even though I might be spending the same amount of money at a different store.
Oh, you're wearing some.
I'm wearing Ralph Lauren.
What do you think of it?
I love Ralph Lauren.
Why?
I was good fit. It's classy. I feel like I wear it with anything, and it makes me classy a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, I love Ralph Lauren.
Polo,
Yeah. Ralph
golfer.
Golfer?
Yeah, that's because that's what guys wear to go golfing, or women, because it's very like prim and proper and stuff like that. I don't know. I don't wear it.
I think it used to have some cachet. I'm not sure it necessarily holds the same cachet as it used to. I know it's been sold in many outlet stores, and I think that may have diminished the brand value.
Polo, as in the sport,
Yeah.
because that's where it's based off from. But the first thing that does come to mind is $50.
What kind?
If I'm thinking polo, I'm thinking nice shirt, nice clothes, but the price tag comes with it.